I'd agree to now. Welcome to SabiMakeAm YouTube channel. Today I want to show now how to make groundnut cake. We know say groundnut good well for our body. Groundnut they do so many things for our body. Groundnut na oil seed. We be say if you eat them, go give you fat and oil and other nutrients. The recipe we want use today na groundnut oil here. This one na groundnut paste. Now the original groundnut where they for market. You go carry them, peel them well, grind them. The thing go turn to paste. This one na butter. Very good source of fat and oil. This one na cornstarch. We no use wheat flour for this one, no, but we use cornstarch. This one na baking powder we you go add to your cake, and the thing go rise up. Sugar go make your cake sweet. This one na egg, very good source of protein. Go add value to your cake. And this one na nutmeg. Now the original spices we go add to your cake to add flavor to your cake. The method we want use for this one na rub-in method. You go carry your butter and your flour, put it inside bowl, rub them together. Now you want start. This now our flour, the cornstarch. Measurement. Now 1.5 cup dey here. Then you go put your baking powder. Half spoon. You add your sugar. Half cup of sugar. Then the grated nutmeg. You add small water. The water, you no go add them at once. So you add the water bit by bit. You add another small water. This one is groundnut paste. You go mix them until the groundnut and the cornstarch mix together. Add milk. 2.5 spoons. Now this one is groundnut oil. Do not fail to subscribe to our YouTube channel at SabiMakeAm. Add the egg now. Still the mix can. We'll mix and well on the thing blend until the thing blend. My butter done this set now. And you go cream your pan. And dust them with small flour. Why I do this one be say you go do them so that your cake will come out well. And you turn your butter inside your pan. e don finish. And we put am for oven. You go bake am for 30 minutes.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at SabiMakeAm, or follow us on our social media platform at SabiMakeAm, or you fit even call us for this number. Thank you.